are looking at our Pro Tool line in October Mountain Products. We're going to start off with the highlight of our tool line is going to be our OMP Versa Cradle. This is a bow vise that allows 360 degrees of rotation. You're able to take the bow vise around, go completely parallel down to 90 degrees, and you're able to actually then adjust and make micro tunes around however you may want. This comes in a couple different attachment configurations. You're able to mount the base plate directly to the bench. Additionally, you're able to have a C-clamp where, similar to I have it on the edge of this table right here, the clamp actually clamps it down onto the table. And we also have a standalone stand over there, which you'll be able to see right down there. Additionally, the bow vise comes standard with a limb adapter that fits most bows. We also sell separately an additional wide limb adapter, which you're going to see on that vise right there. Moving along, we have the Pro Shop bow scale. This scale is designed to measure peak weight in addition to holding weight. This scale has all stainless steel hardware. You'll notice that it's extremely beefy, which does double as a big game scale. In addition to a backlit illuminated LED screen, it also provides additional operation in low light and conditions. We also have our Accu-arrow digital scale. This scale here measures grains for any sort of measurements you may need, whether it's your points, your broadheads, your arrows in general. It gets down to the 2/10 grain of accuracy. This scale also comes with an arrow retainer, so that way you're able to set it on there and put your arrow right in the grooves. Moving on, we have the Freehand Levels, designed to level your bow in addition to leveling your arrow. These two tools here are enabling you to use one-handed operation. So all you have to do is push with one hand, attach it to your bow, and you'll be able to go from there. This is the arrow level, designed to identify when the arrow is at a perfect perpendicular line to the perfectly level bowstring, which is determined by using and attaching the bow level that you have here. Again, one-handed operation that you're able to use. Both of those are available sold individually, or you can actually purchase them as a kit, which we have conveniently put together for you here. Moving on, we have the Trucenter 2.0. This right here is a wonderful tool that is designed to help you determine your center shot. It helps you to align not only the arrow, but also with looking up vertically to the cams and down as well. What you do here is this laser spins around on an axis, and you're able to walk it actually out the arrow shaft when it's attached to the riser via these methods right here. So it attaches to the riser, and then the laser walks up and down the arrow shaft. Moving next, we have the Pro Shop bow square. This item here is your typical bow square. However, it's got a pretty unique feature that we designed. What we wanted to be able to do is not just identify the nocking point for your arrow. We also wanted to allow somebody to be able to put the kisser button onto their bowstring. So we got some numbers identified right there, and we actually cut out a slot for you that you're able to have a kisser button installed while the bow square is actually on the string. So if you look here, you're going to be able to see the measurements for the kisser button in addition to measurements for the nocking point, as well as moving out the arrow. Moving along next, we have the T6 Multiplier. This is a versatile tool that's designed to be a pretty one-stop shop for you in the bow shop. We've got the normal and the standard plier function on the front. We've got a C-clamp and nock set crimp on the back side of the pliers right here. We also have a dikes or a wire cutter that's pretty convenient for cutting D-loop. In addition to a general universal star gripper. If you got a bolt that's stripped out, you're able to grab that right there. The last feature that I think is pretty neat on this T6 Multiplier that's pretty nice, it's going to have grooves here for the D-loop. Once you do have your D-loop tied onto your bow and you want to tighten that and stretch it out, you just go ahead and put it in the D-loop grooves right here. Moving on, we have the Pro Shop nock pliers. These nock pliers perform two functions. They help you to crimp your nock set onto the string as well as remove the nock set. They are spring loaded for ease of use, so that way you don't have to constantly be wearing your hand out opening that up. And here we have the carbon arrow prep tool. This tool is designed to use after you've already cut the shafts of your carbon arrows. And you're going to go ahead and insert this into the end of the shaft. What it's going to do is going to score the walls, therefore allowing a better adhesion surface for the glue for your inserts. And here we have our Revolution serving jig. This is a serving jig that comes with a quick change spool that all you got to do is pop this out and you'll be able to have a second serving ready on the way. Moving along, we have our Pro Shop wrench sets. We have a couple of different sizes in our Pro Shop Deluxe hex wrench sets right here. We also have a Torx wrench set right here. And we have a Pro Shop bench hex wrench set, which is able to mount either to your tool bench or anything in your Pro Shop. For more videos like this, feel free to check out OctoberMountainProducts.com.